We have so many cases where beginners were able to trade with the bank orders indicator and they profited and gradually grown their accounts. One of my student who is from India, and recently I have shared his feedback in the group. So basically he started with a reasonable capital, and he was able to make 35 lakhs from the trading in, I think so, in the period of the 6 months. So how this is possible? Because he was using the same indicator that is called the bank indicator. The bank indicator was launched, a good time ago, and many students have taken this indicator and they're still working on this indicator, and they have developed their own rules to trade that indicator, because it's not just an indicator, it's basically, you can say that this is a kind of a big C. Okay, now let me tell you how this is a big C. So I will just I will tell you some tactics to use this beautiful indicator, and that works perfectly fine. Okay, now you can see that it has two type of levels: the bank selling one and the bank buying one. Okay, so the second retest is the most important one. Okay, I again repeat, the second retest on from the bank selling, or whatever it is, the retest from the bank buying, this is the most important, because these type of bank levels normally work very very nice. So you can see, okay, the other thing, this indicator is completely different from the market turning points indicator, because the market turning points indicator is the real time indicator. But when we talk about the bank indicator, it has static levels and has a different approach, because we trade on the retest. And the second thing, its levels can also appear after the move. So for example, let me tell you that when the price was dropped, this level was appeared. Now the market went to, it was appeared later after that move, but the market went to retest that level, and you got a bearish pin bar candle, and then you can go for a sell position. Now let's find that how this is working. Like for example, this level appeared after the move. Now this level is here. So when the market will come to retest that level, you will get a amazing buy opportunity from here. Now let me show you with examples. Okay, so almost you can say this was the first retest. Now you can see the second retest. When the gold came to make a retest on the bank selling one, you can see the price is way down. Okay, now I can show you more examples. Okay, so look, almost this is the second and this is the third retest, but on the third retest we considered the level to be a very very bad in that case. Okay, now you can see this level appeared later on, but this level is not retested so far. So when the price will come to hit the level on euro USD, that can give a bounce. Okay, now the second thing, what makes my subscribers very very successful, just imagine here, this bank buying order does not have a dotted line with it, and this bank selling level has a dotted red line with it. So, as per my students, as per the experience with those who have the bank indicator, for example, look at this scenario. When the price came here, this level was appeared, the market almost retested, and you can see the bank buying order has the dotted green line with it, and that's considered to be the very, very strong point to enter into the market on that bullish candle. And now you can see the price is going up. Okay, now about one more thing about this indicator, like note down that chart. This is the USD CHF. Look here, the price has given a close above the dotted red line. So I have told you many time in my videos that if the price gives a close above the dotted line, it shows the strength in the market. Now you can see the price is going up, and it's basically going with the intention to test the bank selling level that is available at the top. At next, what we have, like if the price closes below the dotted green line, it shows the weakness. Okay, so and even you can see previously the price closes above the dotted red line, it's a strength in the market. You can see the price is up. Let's have a look more. Look, AUDJPY constantly giving a close above the dotted red lines. You can see the price is going up. At next, okay, now this is the retest. This is the second retest that happening right now. So pound AUD, it's bullish, but yes, there is no there is not a dotted line with it, and we cannot consider it to be a very strong level. But if you just look at here for the scalping purpose, this was already good, and this is the profitable trade so far. Okay, now you can see the second, almost the second and third retest is going on, so not bad to go with the sell on AUD CHF. And the second thing, it also has the dotted red line with it. Okay, so when there are multiple retests, then we consider the level to be weak. Now for example, look at this AUD CAD comes for a retest here, you can see how well market dropped from that area. So this is the power of the bank indicator. If you want to get the access of this powerful indicator, you can contact through Telegram or email. The links are in the description. Okay, so just look at the here. Bank Nifty retested for the almost for the second time, and you can see a pullback. Now it has not given a close so far above the dotted. I think here it's looks slightly, but wait for a proper close above the dotted red line. So that situation should be very clear. Okay, now on the Nifty, the price is above the dotted red line. It's a clear bullish signal on the Bank Nifty. Okay, now just look at US 30. This is the live example that I am sharing with you. Just look at here. Almost the price has retested the bank selling level. The bank selling level has a dotted red line with it. Now you can see what's going on. The price is going down. Okay, so this is the best indicator. Just a difference. The market turning points is the real time indicator. Its levels appear. Its levels are static. Like now, you can see the market came to retest on NZD USD 15 minute. Okay, however, this is the weak level, but it does not have a dotted green line. But overall, this is like this could be a good for scalping. And if you get any confirmation, you can go for that trade. At last, let's have a look on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is giving a close above the dotted red line, so looks like that it is basically going to target the upper bank selling opportunity here. So this is all about this indicator. If you want to get the access of that powerful indicator, you can contact through Telegram or email. Thank you very much for watching this video.